You know, football fans and fantasy football team owners were at an absolute loss for words when Houston Texans running back Arian Foster was knocked out for the season with a back injury. Foster recently underwent a successful surgery to repair a bulging disc in his back. The specialists at Gulfcoast Spine Institute explain how common disc injuries are and how they use minimally invasive techniques to correct them.
Disc herniation is when the soft cushion material that normally resides between the bones, providing a shock absorber, gets pushed out of its encapsulated area, and typically gets pushed out and becomes a problem if it pushes out towards the nerves. So the nerves are behind the disc. So if you're doing something strenuous, heavy lifting or bending, or a combination of bending, lifting, and twisting, or you take a hard fall and you get a lot of pressure on your back, you can squeeze out that jelly inside portion of the disc. It ruptures through the wrapper, and then if it ruptures towards the back and happens to be pushing on a nerve, then you get that nerve-related pain. So patients will come in not just with back pain, but with pain radiating down an arm or a leg, depending on which nerve is being irritated.
A disc herniation can be caused through loss of flexibility over the course of time. It's just years and years of just stress on the disc, and what happens is the disc herniation just kind of pops out, and you can have a disc bulge or a disc herniation that and touches the nerve, and that's what causes the sciatica radiculopathy, you know, the pain shooting down the leg.
I think what sets us apart at Gulfcoast Spine is that we do almost all of our surgeries in the lumbar spine through minimally invasive techniques. With the minimally invasive surgery, we're able to make small incisions, work through the muscle, essentially underneath the muscle belly, and do the exact same process on the bone, whether it be to stabilize it or take pressure off a nerve. And then when we withdraw these small tubular retractors through the muscle's left unharmed and works and functions properly. So we have very little blood loss, extremely low infection rate, and a very quick return to normal daily life and activities.
You'll find contact information for the health grade honored surgeons at Gulfcoast Spine Institute when you click on the Bulging Discs story link icon on our homepage, yourhometownhealth.com. You may also note their new logo.